Today, I'm going to show you 5 online businesses that will pay you every day. These are some of the most reputable web businesses. I went out there and did some extensive research to find the greatest online companies that are now paying. I want you to pay great attention to this video and make sure you don't miss a single website. And I really want to emphasize that you don't need any experience, particular knowledge, or a degree to work. You can do it from your iPad, iPhone, or computer. And you can do it anywhere on the globe. If you can use the internet, you'll be able to use these 5 websites right now. I've got something for everyone because the majority of them are available all over the world. Sit back, relax, and pay close attention. In 2021, this will be a simple way to earn money online. I'll show you the best and most up-to-date platforms for making money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the conclusion if you're interested. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. So, the first company I'd like to recommend to you is called Genius. You can go to their website by entering genius.com. Many of you are certainly familiar with this company and have visited this website before. But you may not be aware that you can begin working for this company and be paid for it. That's correct. You can now work for this company and be paid. They currently have job vacancies. Now, what is Genius? It's a firm that specializes in song lyrics. They provide music to over 100 million people every month, and you're going to be transcribing music for them. People come to this website when they need lyrics to a favorite song or just want to learn a little more about what an artist is saying within a song. You'll be transcribing music for them and listening to music as well. You can transcribe music and get paid whether you're at home, on the road, or on a plane. Working in these types of employment might pay anywhere from $15 to $30 per hour. Now, I'd like to point out that this isn't one of those music apps that promise to pay you thousands of dollars just for downloading and listening to music. This is a respectable company that has been in business for a long time and pays on time. To get started with Genius, go to this page right here. When you're on this page right here, you will scroll down to the button and look for the job and have a click on that. So you can see where it says current job vacancies if you look right here. This is a list of all the different positions they have available. All you need to do is click on the lyric associate right here. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you can see further pieces of information about the said job. Just scroll down to the bottom and click on apply for this job right here. Now, we'll go on the second website, which is Instagc. Just enter instagc.com on your Google search bar to be redirected to this page. This is a fantastic firm to work with, and it has been in operation since 2011. They have been awarded as a Better Business Bureau and an A+ rating. There are thousands of satisfied members making money every day inside this firm. What I enjoy about Instagc is that they cater solely to the underprivileged. There were no questions asked. If you're broke, this is a terrific firm to work for because the work isn't difficult. You can get paid every day and you can start for free. In fact, you can get started with this firm right now and start making money within minutes of signing up. What is Instagc? It is a pay-to-do website wherein you may earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and surfing the web. Those are just a few of the ways you may earn money with Instagc. But you can also earn money by inviting others to visit this website for free. The insane thing about this website is there are so many methods to earn money with Instagc. To join Instagc, you can just simply enter your username, password, and email address. You may also continue via Facebook, Twitter, and Google. You can perform all of these jobs and get paid, and you don't have to invite others. But if you want to grow your money to the top, that's what you want to do. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. The third website that we will be using is Techsbot Ai. You can earn $100 commissions in a matter of seconds. You can get paid using the Cash App, which is quite quick, or you can use Venom to get paid. It's entirely up to you how you want to get your money. So, what exactly is Techsbot Ai? Techsbot is a lead generation and marketing automation company. So, what's the deal with that? For businesses, this company has software that can automatically text messages and answer phone calls. And that's where you come in. You'll be assisting these businesses in obtaining this tool. Sign up with Techsbot, log into your back office, and follow the steps to get set up and ready to go. A company called Crowdsurf is the fourth website on my list that I have for you. Crowdsurf is a transcriptionist company where you may get paid for typing out what you hear. If you are able to listen to audio, videos, and conversations, you can be able to do this. Thousands of people with little to no experience are using Crowdsurf. If you have prior experience, that's excellent. If you don't, that's okay as well. This company will provide you with all the necessary training and support to help you succeed. As I previously stated, all you'll be doing is listening to conversations, watching videos, and typing out what you hear. It's a rather simple job. But if you can't type effectively, you may use Google Docs voice-to-text option. Just speak what you hear. I know most of you will be able to do this to get started. All you need to do to get started on this website is just simply click on here if you come from the USA or Canada. If you're coming from the other countries, you may click this international link right here. Visit this website to learn more about this fantastic company. Superpay.me is the last website that we will be using in this video. These are great companies to work with if you're broke. I recommend that you start with these types of websites first if you don't have any money, because you can start for free and get paid the same way. And the insane thing is, you can get paid with no experience. If you look closely, you'll notice that Superpay has paid out over $4 million to its members. You can receive funds via PayPal, Tango Card, Amazon, and Skrill, and you can even withdraw money using Bitcoin. You may either make money by encouraging individuals to sign up for free, or you can earn money by watching movies, doing various activities, and answering surveys. In order to earn money online using this website, just simply click on Join Free today. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you will be entering your information. Just enter your information right here, your mailing address, and in this section right here, you will be entering your payment terms. Lastly, just check all these boxes right here and click on Create an Account. You can use all 5 websites to earn tens, hundreds, or even thousands of dollars from the comfort of your home. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.